Presenting the Chevrolet 2008 Colorado LTW/1LT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include engine 2.9 LDOHC 4-cylinder V, 185 horsepower, 137.9 kilowatts at 5,600 RPMs, 190 pounds FT, 263.2 Newton meters at 2,800 RPMs, STD, tires P225/75 R15 all-season Blackwall, STD, rear axle 3.73 ratio, ebony light cashmere deluxe cloth, audio system AM/FM stereo with CD/MP3 player, seek and scan digital clock, auto tone control, radio data system RDS, automatic volume and theft lock, STD, includes UE1, OnStar, license plate bracket front, deep ruby metallic,